Welcome to my channel Archana Joshi Ideas. I am Archana Joshi. In today's video, I am going to show you 3 DIY birthday wall decor in home which you can do just under 100 rupees. That sounds great, right? Here's the first idea for which you need just 25 rupees to create in home. Let's begin. The first step is to write all the letters in the phrase Happy Birthday. Here I am writing all the letters in the height of 10 centimeter each as shown here. Now all the letters are ready. The next step is to attach double-sided gum tape on each letter as shown here. The next step is to make paper hearts. For that also I am using black color paper only because that color complements with the color of wall on which I am going to decor letter. You can choose different colors. I have given other color reference at the end of this idea. You can check that out for reference. As per these paper hearts, we need hearts in two different sizes, one of height 10 centimeter and the other of height 5 centimeter. This is the wall which I am going to convert into a birthday wall now. I began by attaching the letters on the wall. The next step is to attach hearts on the wall. I am attaching 6 big hearts or hearts of height 10 centimeter in a bottom line series. You can increase the number of hearts or decrease the number of hearts depending on the width of wall. As per the wall I selected, the 6 hearts were convenient. Now I am attaching small hearts in the middle of 2 big hearts on the upper line, as you can see here. I made 3 such lines of hearts. You can increase the number of lines also as per the height of the wall. This will be the last line. Now the whole wall is ready. Hope you like this idea and surely gonna try. Here are two different color combinations that you can try in this idea. You can experiment with other colors as well. Let's move to the second idea. The total expense of this idea was just 69 rupees. Can you believe that? All you need is a gold tape. It's not a gum tape, it's just a shiny gold tape and gum tape, double sided gum tape, scissor, and some balloons. And the first step is to paste double sided gum tape on the wall as shown here. Now the next step is to trim the shiny gold tape into small parts, each measuring 80 centimeter, and we need to paste them on the double sided gum tape in a series as shown here. Now the gold tape setup is completely ready. The next part is decorating using balloons. For that I have paired balloons as you can see here. I'm using only 8 balloons here. Now I took these paired balloons and twisted them as shown here to create the 3 balloon illusions as you can see here. From every angle it looks like there are only 3 balloons. Now the next step is to attach them near the gold tape setup using gum tape. I have used 2 such balloons. You can use more than 2 as well. Here's the final look. This is the most easiest among the 3 according to me. Hope you liked it. Let's move to the third idea. The amount spent on making this is just 80 rupees. Can you believe this, guys? For this idea, we need to make the paper crafts priorly. The first one is heart shape. It is just drawing heart shape on paper and cutting it. For this, I have chosen pink color. And the next one is rhombus shape or diamond shape. For that I have chosen white color paper. I have given the measurements here which you can follow. It is just drawing diamond or rhombus shape on the paper and cutting them accordingly. That's it. The third one is circles. I have drawn circle of radius 3 centimeter. I have chosen sky blue color paper for circles. You can choose different colors altogether for all the 3 paper crafts according to your vision or according to the color of your wall on which you are going to do birthday decor. Now all the 3 paper crafts are ready. The next step is to make some stars and circles using glitter sheet. I have chosen gold color glitter sheet here. It costs 15 per sheet. I have used 3 such sheets here. The method is simple. Just draw stars or circles on the backside of the glitter sheet and cut it accordingly. You can make as many stars and circles you want. There is no definite number to it as it was in paper craft. The next step is to convert all these paper crafts as hangings by using woolen and gum tape. For that I have chosen white color woolen here as it complements the color of wall on which I am going to paste them later. I am pasting all the shapes on the woolen using gum tape. There should be 3 centimeter difference from one shape to other on the woolen. I have changed the series of arrangements of shapes on every woolen thread because the asymmetrical arrangement looks prettier on the wall. Now the final step is to decorate the wall using all the crafts made priorly. I began by attaching the glittery stars. There is no definite order to it. As you can see here, you can arrange them according to the size of them. The final step is to attach hangings. You can stuck them in the glittery stars or circles as well, or you can even use gum tape for more safety. Here's the final outcome. Hope you liked it. Let me know which of the idea you like the most and subscribe to Archana Joshi Ideas for more such interesting videos.